Here we have a little shot of the White House. We're in the car still, so we're gonna be quick. Yeah.
What's that snow cone truck? Go at that snow cone truck. I wanna go at that snow cone.
Hey Ramses.
I wanna go.
Hey Logie. Tell me, whose teenage son wear a sweater in the summertime? Oh, not yet.
Started at the DC State Fair.
Oh, State Fair. Oh, let me see.
Yeah, that's over here. That's right in front of the Chamber building, the FBI headquarters. Yeah.
I think there's also like information booths where they tell you about like the agriculture and stuff like that.
Okay.
They're teaching us about. No, they're just open.
They're open. Okay.
Yeah, like the lid comes off, but.
Right here.
Hey guys, so we're still in DC and now we're trying to head home, but clearly there's the DC State Fair's going on right next door hotel, so we decided to stop by. So yeah, we're walking around. They have different booths all around. So Orla's getting some apple at the Fresh Farm. He's like, no, he doesn't want it.
Awesome.
He doesn't want it.
He's the apple guy, but
Haha. What do they have over here? So Ty, want to go look at books? Ty, want to go look at books over here?
thank you. What you guys doing? Hello.
Hi. So Ty, you want to go check it out?
Division. How you doing?
Hey, cool.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
How you doing? Yep.
Nice. Okay. So Ty, do you want to? I think these are handouts you could take.
You gotta spin.
Gotta spin.
Yeah, the wheel behind you, and then I'll give you a prize, whichever one you want.
Spin the wheel and you get a prize. Okay.
I heard someone spinning.
Thank you.
Example of which type of energy? Geothermal.
Rams is just chilling over there eating his Pringle. You're gonna spin, Satai?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Of course, of course.
All right, go after him.
Go
He's
ahead.
going? Oh, go ahead. Go ahead, Satai. Spin.
Ah. It's a tricky one, isn't it? Make a guess, it doesn't.
You don't understand the question, sorry.
Huh?
You don't understand the question.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is third-hand smoke? First-hand smoke when you smoke, the second hand when someone blows it out. And what do you think is third-hand smoke?
Yeah, the street, no?
Maybe carpet, clothing, anything that the smoke falls on and could be pissy, especially with kids.
Cool.
And stuff like that. So you guys live DC?
No.
DC?
We live in this because we are French and
Yeah.
it's difficult for us.
Understand, right?
Oh. Mbappe.
Are you want to try now?
Yeah.
Spin and see if you can answer the question.
Yeah.
All the time, every day.
I go spin and see.
Henri. Henri.
Yeah.
Go, I'll tip you. Go.
Enjoy.
Ready? Spin. And hopefully you can answer the question.
Oh, I'm sorry.
already.
All right. House built before 19 what as lead paint? You want to call a friend? Or you want to call a dad? The question says, house built before 19 what has lead paint? 1955, 1978, or 1968? You want to call a friend? Call Dada. Go call Dada, ask Dada. 1978, the 70s one? All right, so go. Dada said 1978, so tell him. It's 1978. Tell him 1978.
Say 1978.
Your dad phoned in, you phoned a friend.
Yes, you phoned a friend. Yay! Sorry, so sweetie. Yay, get your prize. You phoned a friend, Satai, and now you have a... Woo! Get a book, get a book. Get a book, Satai, get a book.
I don't want to put it.
Yay!
That's what you want?
I think he wanted a fidget thing. I'm forcing him to get a book.
Yeah. But this seems
Mommy's
younger
old
than his size, yeah.
I know.
That seems smaller. Like, he's 5 foot.
No, for Ramses.
Okay, so take a book. Whatever you want to take, it's you.
All right, it's fine.
Okay, you can't take both. Ramses, you want
Am I
to
gonna do it again?
No, you're not doing it again. Just Ramses.
State Fair, we're still in Washington, D.C. And Ramses right there. Ramses saying, hey, hey, hey. And we're looking around. How you doing? We're looking around. They have army recruitment here. They have a lot of books of Washington stuff that you can learn. Vote to 411. A lot of different stuff. This is on K Street in Washington, D.C. Close to where we stay. It's a D.C. annual fair. And we just walk in the grounds. Logan checking his phone as usual. And I think they have some MC giving prize. Yeah, so we go here.
He got in jump school. No one told him. They told him he couldn't get a tattoo, and he went out and did it. So applause for that effort. Very nice, George. Excellent. All right. Who do we have here?
Hi, Vita.
Hey, Vita, what you
I
got?
think they have some MC doing some
Tattoo of a
stuff.
cat playing with Saturn, the planet, and I got it matching with Jesus.
Very nice. All right. Show it to everybody. Very cool. Audience applause for Vita. And what's your name?
This is what to show you a tattoo.
All right, everybody. This is
that
Lucy.
what
How old are you,
They're
Lucy?
showing their tattoos at this booth and telling how they got it and why
Okay.
they got it.
3. All right. Very wonderful.
Let's see what the
tattoo do
3-year-old is
you have?
showing.
Okay.
A tree?
This looks like a palm tree and an orange dinosaur. All right, Lucy, step down here and show everybody your tree and your orange dinosaur. Audience applause for Lucy.
Nice.
What tattoo do you have?
Ready. And I have a butterfly, and it was just a single little tattoo. It was my first tattoo, and then I decided to build an environment around it. So I got the.
So I guess this is about describing your tattoo. I have a tattoo, but I'm not going to describe
Wonderful,
my
a
tattoo
DC themed tattoo
Leah-
here.
Leah is not here,
Fun,
so
the
I'm not gonna describe my
environment
tattoo.
around it. Feel free to show it off to those who like to.
now. Kids are cooling off. Sometimes you want to go cool off?
Hello, welcome. You look very familiar. Have you entered this contest before? No, first time. All right. Well, what tattoo do
Oh.
you have? What's your name?
Freshly squeezed lemonade. You want freshly squeezed lemonade? Okay, no? Alright, let's walk this way.
I just said okay.
Huh?
I just said okay.
Next seat on the call. All right. Show it off. Everybody
We have a 360 photo booth here. That's a nice sandwich.
Wonderful. Let's see it.
I'm just taking a leap of faith. If I don't get it,
Can
Pull
go.
off. It's too hot.
It's too hot? Oh, nice stuff here.
It's too hot.
Soap. We're doing a 360 shot, so let's see.
Recording while we recording.
Yes. Yeah, I know. That's why I put my hands in. No, I put my hands in. Yes.
You're fine. You got it.
Yeah, I got clear.
All right.
So we're doing a 360, so I'm recording the 360.
1.
Ramses love it. I guess you gotta refill that all the time because they keep using it out.
Yeah, let me see. This one guy, that's his.
Let's see our 360.
Oh, what long you doing this?
Oh, that's nice.
Let's see.
That is nice. You like it, Ramses? Yeah.
Yes. Where's my phone?
So we just do a 360 video. I have a 360 of the 360. So we may put that on. Oh, it was fun. Yeah, it was cool. Satai, get your bag.
I'm a local based designer.
Okay.
DC, I'm a local based designer. This is my apparel.
This is your apparel brand.
Yeah.
That is cool. And you have female, male.
Yeah, I got male. It's all, well, I have women specific stuff. But
Okay.
all the other stuff is unisex. So
Okay, see.
it can be worn by both genders.
Okay, I like it. What's the price for your t-shirts?
So it's a varying price.
Okay.
Some are 15, some are 35.
Okay. And let me see. I'm trying to get something from you. So the male t-shirt, status way of life, beauty.
There's some.
Logan, you see anything that you like? You see any t-shirt you like?
I don't really need t-shirts.
Alright. Oh. Oh my god, it's like teeth whitening kind of stuff.
Look, they're getting like stuff on their feet.
Yes, it's teeth whitening. These are treats.
For dogs. They're
Doggy
for-
treat.
Yes.
So you have no dog, so you have no treat. So Satai wants snowball. What do you want? What do you want, Logan? Hello.
How's it going, sir? How may I help?
I'm good. Yeah, can I have like you want something like a
A lot
snow?
of flavors right here. Where you from?
Well, I'm from New York,
New York? Well, original.
Jamaica.
We got Sky Juice, man.
Oh, you got Sky
We got
Juice,
Sky
man.
Juice,
Ah,
We got the Sky Juice, yeah.
Yeah, Sky Juice.
These are all the flavors for the Sky Juice right here.
Oh, okay, which one you want, Star? The green one. He said green.
Green apple, honeydew melon.
You want a green
Lime.
apple? Lime, honeydew melon. Which one you want? You want a green apple? Okay, I'll take the green apple. Logan, you want anything?
Yeah.
What you want? Tell me what you want.
You like sour? You like sweet or sour?
Sweet, not sour.
No original Sky Juice going in there, man.
Exactly. The only
Yes,
difference is
Sky
the
Juice.
the only difference is Sky Juice is in a bag.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, it's in a little
Hey,
bag.
this is authentic right here.
Yeah, I know. I never seen it like this before.
Original, you got
Yeah, I
create your
know.
own
I
stuff. There you go.
never seen
There
it
you
like
go,
this
man.
before. Thank
Can I
you.
get the sour apple?
You want
How
something
sour
else?
we want it? 1 to 10. 8.
What? Logan is going for 8 and sour.
Really?
Yeah, next round is right. He's gonna be like, oh, it's
Ramsey said, Logan, that's gonna be really sour.
yeah, really
It's
sour.
coming up, but I'm gonna give him a sour Sky Juice.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Try that, bro. Tell you like that.
Can you
See if
hold
that's
my-
sour enough for you.
Give it to Logan.
You can pay
All
up.
right, I'll pay up here.
Right here.
Can you hold my
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hold my
Logan, how is it?
I think the restaurant call it to say if we come into the reservation.
Hold it.
Satai, give it to me.
What's up, little man? What you got going on there, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, you got the best hand in the house. You ain't gotta walk. You can just kick back and get fed and everything. Hey, thanks, man.
Say yes, say yes.
Logan, how was your sky juice?
Good.
It's good? It's very sour for me. The good thing about it is not
I want
sweet.
to try.
It's not sweet.
Satai,
Satai, how was yours?
At the level you wanted.
Oh, okay.
You can taste Satai, you'll see the difference.
Let me taste it, Satai. Give me a taste. Give me a taste. Put it in your mouth.
Taste it.
Come on. No, man, too
See the
sweet.
difference?
Too sweet.
You got taste it before.
Satai, yours too sweet. Logan one is a little too sour. And Satai one is a little too sweet. Oh, Rabs is crying for it. Give him a taste. Give him a taste, Satai.
Give him some.
He's ready. Yeah, I know. He's running for it.
Nice stuff in it. Remember, we took the picture like touching the.
Yeah, from there, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's the African American Museum right here.
You know what they're training.
Look at us going and do this. Now in DC, so we have the umbrella, but Logan is trying to get a scooter to ride, so we're installing the app. So I have to give him my credit card, which always. Satai, can you hold us something? I'll put my credit card in. Okay.
Alright, Satai, hold the umbrella because I can't do it anymore. Hold the umbrella properly.
Okay, so release your bike. Release your scooter.
I didn't do it. I have to like.
Huh?
I have to go to the term of service and stuff.
You got it?
Wait.
That's it?
Yeah. So that's the whenever you want to end it.
Just end it. Okay. Alright, so Logan,
So where are we going?
we're gonna ride to the National Mall.
And where's that?
Alright, so go.
This down here? This down here?
No, the other way. We'll go the other way. Go with Mom, Mr. Ty.
Am I going there?
No, you cannot go with Logan. Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go across at the light change. When the light change, we go across and then we'll go this way.
You have to watch it.
Yeah, I'll watch it. I'll watch it. Logan have a scooter while we walking, huh? That's not fair. That is not even fair. That's not fair, right? That's not fair. Logan have a scooter while we all walking. Huh?
Bikers.
That's not fair. Logan! Logan! This way! This way, this way. Let me take him. You.
Hey guys, so we're at the National Mall in DC, and we're just walking around to get some videos for you guys. Look what I have in the background just to start. Can we see the National Monument? Oh my gosh, I could see it. So we've actually been here before, well, except for Ramses. Satai was smaller. Logan is always on he always has to get a scooter. See him? Satai running behind him. So anyways, we're gonna get as much videos and pictures as we can, and I'll see you guys in a minute. We're getting closer and closer to the monument, and then we'll take more pictures. What you say, Ramses? Apples and banana? Ramses, say hi to the vlog. Hi! You're so sweet. Ramses, come under the umbrella. Come, Ramses.
Oh, no, we go.
Look at Ramses. I'm gonna turn around. Take it back down.
Hey, you dada.
Bye bye.
Go again, let me see him. Jump again.
In at the National Mall, so we're doing this in the rain to get some good video for you guys. And the scooter, Stacy is under the umbrella. Of course, I don't want her to ruin her makeup and her beautiful hair.
I don't have no makeup.
You know, not a big deal. No makeup for me.
Dada.
And Satai, so we're riding the scooter at the National Mall. It's raining. It's a little slippery, but it's all right.
See, Satai, Ramses is not under the umbrella
Ramses is not
anymore.
under
He's
the
playing
umbrella
over there, Logie.
All right. So we're gonna do some more stuff in DC, and we'll.
All right, I need to ride the scooter too. Can
You
I
wanna
get a
ride
ride
a
off the
scooter?
scooter?
What? Are you kidding?
All right.
No, I'm not.
All right. So then get off.
All right.
Wait, you
it's
have
okay.
to ride it.
Satai, stop chasing your mom. What happened? Satai, mind you slip. Stacey is practicing her scooter, getting her scootering on. You know what? I should have given you a helmet. Oh, so now you become expert. You jump, Satai. Now you becoming an expert. You jumping off. You know, I never see this. I never see this. I never see that.
A second ago, I couldn't ride it.
I never see a beginner.
And then suddenly I ride it. I'm like,
I know.
1 foot. Oh.
I never see a beginner become an expert the same time he jump on it. This is not right. It is not right.
1 minute I can't ride, and next
Exactly. I know you're riding. Yeah. Next minute you're riding like a pro. If I didn't have the kids, I could jump on it with you, but I can't. No, no, look at the umbrella.
Okay, we're too close. There where you can see them.
Logan, say hi from Washington, D.C. Yay.
Yeah.
Washington, D.C.
Where's the monument?
Yeah, guys, so Washington Monument. The sun came back out, so now Ramses is like, oh, I'm scorching.
I know.
And that's the top of the monument, and we're on the National Mall. Alright, so
Here we have a little shot of the White House. We're in the car still, so we're gonna be quick. Yeah. So, oh my God, my head is busted. I got wet in the rain. Anyways, so.
all for YouTube.
All for YouTube, I know, right? Oh my God. So we're there having fun on a scooter. Ramsey's running around. We gave him the phone at one point so he
Got a
could.
mosquito. I mean, a bee bite.
Okay, so Ty's getting straight to the punchline. So Ty's like, get to the point. So suddenly Ramsey started screaming and itching his thigh. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like looking around, like what happened, looking for a bee, because I know there would be around, like one was flying around, and there's a lot of bees in the park, but they weren't in the area that we were, well, except for one. And then he was screaming out, a bee stung him. It was like, ugh, the end of our fun time.
She was panicking. She was doing all the panicking stuff. I was like, it's a bee sting. I get millions, not millions, but I had a lot of bee sting as a kid.
Me too.
And nothing happened to me. So I was like, nothing's gonna happen to him. All we gotta do, find where the bee sting him and pull out the stinger or squeeze it out. But then she was taking off his clothes in the middle of National Mall.
Okay, so
I was like, is that necessary? She was ripping his clothes off. And she was like, oh, it could be there again. I was like, oh, it's one bee. It's one bee. I know like the urge to like just panic and like he's gonna die. Even though he could have like allergic reaction to it, which we glad he didn't have, but I guess I'm a little bit more seasoned to bee sting than her, and she was a little bit more panicky than I am.
You're calling it panic, but I wasn't panicking. I was just in attack
Not panicking,
mode.
but she was like,
you know what I mean? I'm in
like,
fight.
grabbing up
I'm in fight mode.
You would think he's on fire. Like she'd be like, oh, douse him in water. She's like taking his clothes off. I'm like, okay, I understand it, but I think I have a different sensibility
happy child
around
that
it.
was playing, that was watching show just a minute ago, right? Running around, happy, smiling, and then suddenly he screams and he itches one area of his body. That's immediately alerting me that something is terribly wrong. Like, he scream out. So no, I'm looking for I don't see anything on his skin. So I'm looking now. I have to pull his clothes off because he keeps itching it. So I have to pull his clothes off because I'm like, the bee's probably in his clothes. Oral is like, what happened? You're blocking the street. I'm like, if they can't wait, they need to walk around. I'm really sorry. Like, I need to attend to this right now. It's like, oh my God, it's just a bee sting. I'm like, he squeezed it out, to be honest. But I'm like, we need to squeeze it again and make sure that everything came out.
And the bee can only sting you once.
Yeah, no, I understand that. But my thing was like, you squeezed it out, he's crying, and then you stop. So I'm like, I want to make sure that we take out everything out of it. And I'm like, let's go. We get across the street. I already have Benadryl in our little backpack. I always walk with the Benadryl. And I'm like, immediately I'm gonna like wash it off with some soap and water and then give him some Benadryl. So he was just crying. Poor baby. So of course we didn't have time to video nothing. So now we were like much calm and he's asleep so we can talk about it. But that was like hell. And I'm like I don't get panic.
I was always calm.
You're always calm, but
it's a bee sting.
Yeah, but bee sting. That's why did we give him Benadryl? Why did I give him Benadryl?
You gave him Benadryl.
Yeah, but why did I give him Benadryl? Because he could possibly have an allergic reaction to a bee sting.
I never had Benadryl in my life, and I get stung by bees, wasps.
But at the same time, to be honest, like, you haven't got stung by a bee here. And in Jamaica, I feel like it's a whole different, you could have an allergic reaction, but I feel like it's a whole different ballgame. Mosquito bite you, bee sting you, and nothing happens. You know what I mean?
Even wasps?
Here, you get all different sort of issue when you get stung or by a mosquito.
When bees sting,
so I'm like,
when bees sting.
But anyways, thank God, it was just, he still have a little welt on his legs.
When bees sting, they die. When wasps sting, they don't die.
That's right.
Oh, you're such a smart boy. You're such a smart
Only mommy
boy.
didn't know. But you're the practitioner, so you should have known that.
No, who said I didn't know that?
Okay, so I noticed,
knew that, but
I noticed. Yes, you're right.
But the point of the matter is, I don't know if the bee was still in his clothes.
No, you're correct. You're correct, because you know what I know. I think you're looking at it as a mom as opposed to looking at it rationally, because I see when the kids have a little fever, you get panic over a little fever.
Panic, babe? That's
yes.
not panic.
Stacey Ann. I see the kids have a little fever.
It's not panic. It's attack. No,
yeah, that's my point. Oh,
I need to take care of it now. It's not.
Yeah, I understand it. I understand it. You're doing it in not in a rational way, but as in the mom way, because I see the kids have a little fever, and you get crazy over it. And I see people are suffering from ailment that call you, and you're working from
and I
home.
don't address their ailment.
Yes, you're working from home, and you'll address the ailment in a calm way. It's not like it's a rational medical advice way, not in a mom way. And I notice when anything happens to the kids, you're not giving medical advice. You're going irrational advice.
No.
It's happening all the time.
I have to remain calm for work.
Yes, but
I have to remain calm for work. Yes,
it happens all the time.
But
every time something happens to the kids, you do mom irrational way. And all your practice.
We're gonna agree to disagree.
No.
We
all
are.
your medical practice went out the window. What you have to do with the kids? Yes, I see people calling you that. They call you, oh, this person is on deathbed, and you were like, okay, what medication they are now, blah blah blah. And you go through all the different stages and what they should get, and you ramp it up based on what you think they should get.
What should I have done?
No, but I'm telling
when
you.
the bee stung Ramses, hold on, I should have said, a bee stung Ramses.
Yes. let's
What's
look
the
at,
first thing we should do?
so then we pull his,
Should we?
then we pull his
Should we
pants down.
squeeze this thing out?
Yes, we pull his pants down. And
But
we
you're
look-
probably gonna say, no, stop! Don't pull his pants
no,
down
but we have to see what happens.
because a lot of people are coming. Let's move out the way to the sidewalk, go on the grass. That's what you were telling me to do. You were telling me to get out the road
No,
and go on the
I'm
grass.
saying not to panic, but I'm saying what they should have done.
Mm.
Right?
Anyways.
A rational way. Just
No.
look at it
Well,
and say,
I'm not
okay.
gonna be rational with my kids. I don't care.
But-
I'm gonna be.
Anyway, guys, this is our last day in DC. We didn't go and sit down and have dinner. Lunch. Well, it's lunch. Well, it's practically dinner time. But
Oh yeah, we you had lunch.
so
a
we had-
reservation?
So we had a reservation at Pembroke, a vegan restaurant. And what happened is that we were doing a little tour
We ran
of
late.
we were on the national fair, the national fair.
Yeah, the city fair, I
The city
think.
fair, and they called us. Like we could have gone, and then we waited a little extra 15 minutes. The valet had our car, so he was like, okay, we could have kept it there. We could quickly and go to the restaurant. But by then we were half an hour late.
We just twirled around. Bottom line,
Yeah, we were twirling around, taking
we
our
were
time.
late.
Kids were
And when
getting
we called, we didn't realize that the restaurant closes at 2:30.
2:30, right? And they close the kitchen.
So we don't know
and they close
if
the
this
kitchen
is-
at 2.
If this is just their style, Pembroke,
Yeah.
maybe it's their
something like that.
style, or maybe it's Sunday. We don't know, but we're like, okay.
And
I
then-
guess we're gonna get Chipotle.
Yeah, so I was like, well, the reservation is go. We call like 2:00, right? We're 15 minutes late, and they said the restaurant closed at 2. No, the kitchen closed at 2,
The kitchen closes at 2,
and the
but the
restaurant
last
closed at 2:30.
2:30. But
Yeah.
they take their last reservation at 2, so we couldn't make it anymore,
Right.
anyways.
So if I'd known, I would have made it for 1:45. I would have made it for 12 o'clock or so. I'd make it more brunch as opposed to a
Yeah.
lunch, 11:30. But anyway,
But,
guys, this is I think we're gonna wrap up the DC vlog.
oh yeah, you don't want
Here.
to let them know when you get home.
Oh, we get home like 10 o'clock tonight.
Okay, well,
Yeah, so
I guess this is it. Unless we see something fun and
Fun-
exciting
yeah,
on the
I'll
road.
put it
Oh
out,
my
but-
God, last night. Oh, well, Oral may have videos. We were on the road so late last night.
okay, I have to drive. Station is not driving, and she's liable to be sleeping in the next 5 minutes.
Oh, I need to get coffee.
So,
Remind
I
me we
have
have to
to-
stop at 7-Eleven or
I
something.
have to go, and so we'll see you. Oh, by the way,
What?
our subscribers numbers.
Oh my
Are-
God. That's freaking crazy.
Yeah.
That one
We'll
that
see
one
you in
on
the
the
next,
beach
in the
video
next
is
one.
like,
And Logan,
Anyways.
say bye.
Bye.
Seta, say bye.
Bye.
All right, Ramsey can't
Ramsey's
say bye, so I'll say
sleeping.
bye for me sleeping. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
peace. I almost forget. Don't forget to
Like,
subscribe
share,
and
Comment.
subscribe.
Seta love comments.
I love to
the
say
comments.
comment. Yeah.
So Seta love comments.
Subscribe. We love you guys.
So we say like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.